Hello and welcome everyone, it's Fabi here from #1 Search Engine Listing, and in this datajeo review video I'm going to show you how you can use the domain function. Okay, so what I'm going to use as an example is I'm going to go to the ClickBank marketplace, and for those of you who don't know about ClickBank, just basically it's a marketplace where you can find some great products to promote, and you'll get commissions for it. Okay, so normally up to 50%. I've randomly selected this anabolic cooking muscle building cookbook to promote. So what I've done is I have pasted the link here, so I'll just shorten that. So here we go, anabolic cooking, and I'm going to go to the domain search, and I'm going to leave the results for 20. I'm going to go global. You can go, country specific as well, but we'll leave it as global for now for the sake of this search. And we're going to go to see what data comes back. As you can see, that was quite quick, and you're going to get some data like traffic overview. So you're going to know how many page views per visitor, daily page views per visitor, and also the number of links that are pointing to the site, and some other statistics like visits. And if you hover over the question marks, it just explains to you, what each field is about and what it measures. So for example, this here is the estimated number of visits for the domain. Okay, so you can see it's 13,569 visits. Okay, some great information here on, especially if you're using paid ads, whether it be Facebook, Google, Bing ads, or YouTube ads. You'll notice that here, the majority of the traffic comes from a desktop. Okay, so you wouldn't worry about. You can filter your campaigns to only focus on desktops. Okay. Again, there is some more data here. You'll see some key phrases, and also you can analyze your competitors' keywords, organic keywords, and just by hitting these two arrows there, and it'll do the same sort of, it'll give you the same results that I put in for this website also. Okay, what you can do is also, what it also does reveal, I should say, is the organic keywords. So this is really good. You can use this as part of your PPC campaigns, or also you can write blog posts on this, and also create videos. Now, I'm a big fan of videos, and in one of my bonuses, I do offer a video marketing training that I've put together, and it's going to show you how to rank videos. So you will be able to rank, videos on both Google and also YouTube for certain keywords, and that's going to give you some free traffic there. Okay, and it also goes, it all goes to show some paid keyword terms as well. Okay, it's also going to show you some referral sites to this offer, so you can sort of have a look at who's referring and what they're doing. So some great competitive analysis there, as well as some similar advertisers also. Okay, so you can go into, these are all clickable links, so you can just click here and have a look at their sites and what they are doing. Okay, so this will give you a great overall strategy and plan. Included also in the results is also where the social referrals come from. As you can see, 78.2% come from Facebook, and 21.8% come from YouTube. So that's another statistic to keep in mind and note, as referrals do come from these two platforms. What I also like is it gives you a list of audience interests. Okay, so again, this is going to help both your paid advertising targeting, and it's also going to show you the desktop traffic resources. So where is it coming from? Okay, and again, you can analyze certain websites by clicking on the analyze arrows here. The other thing I like is the demographic side of things. It's going to show you whereabouts in the world the traffic is coming from, and as you can see, it's actually split up into country by page views, rank, and also users. And you can see here the United States, United Kingdom, Brazil, and Jordan feature amongst all of them there. So you can actually target your ads to those areas. And just another tip, you can use Google Trends here and have a look at, let's say, for example, where in the United States which states within the United States are keen on anabolic cooking, and you can use free ad sites to target them. Things like Craigslist or US free ads, for example, to target those people in those local areas. So that's just a quick tip there for you as well. This gives you some other targeting information like recommended channels and publishers, and this will just show you some other great information, as I mentioned, on where and what sites you can target. Okay, so you can also use this. Just had a thought, on using the display network. You may be able to put banners and advertise on these sites as well. Okay, so moving forward, I just want to show you a couple of other things here. The brand creatives are quite exciting. This will show you what banner ads are being used and where, and you can select the different dates, this week, last month, the last 90 days, or even older, and also the banner sizes as well. So you can have a look at that, and also the keyword planner, which is obviously data received from Google, and you can find some other keywords that you can use in your pay-per-click advertising, or your blog posts, for example, as well. Okay, so there you go. That's the domain search. Now, you can think about this in a few other ways. Just in wrapping up, I just want to put this point across. You can have a look at your competitors and what they're doing online. If you're a small to medium business or any size business, you can also have a look at if you've got an e-commerce site, have a look at who is getting the most out of the traffic, and you can emulate those guys as well. Okay, again, Fabio from number1searchenginelisting.com. In the next video, I'm going to review the tracking option. Okay, thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next video.